Guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you on Google Chrome how to delete your search history. Alright, so of course in terms of your search history, you can use this tutorial to clear that. Alright, of course go ahead and launch Chrome. Once you launch Chrome guys, in the upper right, go ahead and click the three dots. Then you're going to go down to settings. Once you're in here, guys, go ahead and over here, go to security and privacy. And of course, go to clear data and make sure the time is set to all time under basic. And of course, uncheck the lower two options. And of course, this is your site history or your browsing history. Same thing. Go ahead and of course hit clear data and of course confirm, and it will clear the data. And you could also specify this based on time, like last 7 days, 24 hours, 4 weeks. So the choice is yours. And of course, this is how to do it on Google Chrome. I'm going to do it on this particular device, only demonstrating. If you have any questions pertaining to this, you can go ahead and ask below. You can also check out the advanced features. It allows you better to target specific things. Like for example, if I were to do all time, notice it shows there's 110 different items in my browsing history, most likely websites and so on. And of course, you can target the download history as well. And there are more specifics in here if in case you want to target it clean, and then you can clean data. All right, that's just a bonus tip. If you have any questions, as always, guys, go ahead and ask below. It's Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.